Hello, my name is Arvid from Team 18172 Uplift Robotics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a rock, paper, scissors simulator in Java, where I use Trinket for today's program. So we start by importing random and scanner for our methods later, and so then we have our class rock, paper, scissors, and everything today will be with the public static void main string args. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called random selection. And so all of this goes under the Java util random that we imported earlier. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have the computer make a random integer selection from 0, 1, or 2. And then we set the value of 0 as scissors, 1 to rock, and 2 to paper. So this is the selection that the computer makes that has nothing to do with what the user picks. And so now we're going to do what the actual user types in. And the way we use this is the scanner that I imported earlier. So it takes a selection and it's going to save the selection as whatever the user types in. So it'll say, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Please type your choice. And then after the user types in the choice, it'll save that as the selection string variable. So now in order to determine who the winner is, what it does is at first it says here what you selected, and then it based on what the computer calculated randomly, which one it picked, and the one that the user typed in, it'll find who is the winner or if there was a draw, and it will respond. And so it saves this response to this results variable, which is finally printed out. So if I run it here, you can see takes a second. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Please type your choice. So let's say I pick rock. So the computer selected paper, which means that since paper beats rock, I lost, and so the computer outputs good luck next time. So we can try one more time. Let's say I want to pick paper this time. So the computer also picked paper, so it was a draw. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out the other videos.